Hello everyone and welcome back to another day in the life video. We're starting off this weekend really kind of relaxing because it's going to be a long weekend. We have Monday off, so I don't have classes until Tuesday. So I'm going to start off this weekend just with some relaxing things, having some fun. So I'm going to get to that and I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, everyone. So the weekend kind of flew by, and yesterday was my birthday. I had lots of fun. As you can see, I went to a bowling alley and ended up actually getting a pin and got it signed by all of my friends who came and celebrated. It was a very fun day, and I appreciate everyone who was able to be there, as well as everyone's birthday wishes. But now it's really time to get back into the studying and make sure that I'm prepared for this week. So I already got a couple of the things on the pre-work done this morning. I also am going to do some shopping this afternoon, as well as do a couple miscellaneous things outside of school that I need to get done. So I'm going to get to that and I'll see you guys later. Good morning, everyone. It is now time to head back to class since it is Tuesday after the long weekend, but today is also another special day because it is my girlfriend and I's anniversary, so I got her some flowers this morning. I'm going to set up a gift for her just so that she sees it when she gets home, and then I'm going to head off to my first class this morning for medical conditions, so I'm going to get to that and I'll talk to you guys later. Well, today we did a little bit of talking about cancer and physical therapy this morning and medical conditions. And then in the afternoon, we had the opportunity to go through some possible conversations we might have with patients about sexual activity and physical therapy's role within that, getting to do a little bit of case application, and just preparing ourselves for when we might inevitably have to have some of those conversations. So it was definitely a very useful day overall, but we're done with classes for now. I'm just doing a couple chores before I head off to work from 5 until 10, where I'm probably going to finish my training that I have to do for my research project, since things are starting to pick up on that. And then I am also going to finish the last bit of pre-work I need to do for tomorrow, as well as just keep working on some of the assignments that are due at the end of the week, such as the cases for musculoskeletal conditions. So I have a lot to do. I'm going to finish up these chores really quick and head off to work, and I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Well, this morning I had musculoskeletal conditions where we really went into more of the manual therapy side of our shoulder content. So we got lots of practice with doing things on the shoulder, anterior, posterior glides, some distraction, as well as some other techniques that have been useful, such as like the wiggle technique on the clavicle and things like that. So it was a really useful day overall with lots of practice integrated into what we were doing. But this afternoon, I really took the opportunity of having lots of time off to go and do my shopping at Costco, finish up a couple things that I've been brainstorming for my clinical education representative role, and getting a newsletter kind of template down so that as clinical experiences as well as the preparatory sessions start to come up, like the one that will be on Friday, I'll be able to send out information really succinctly and help my class out in that aspect. But I'm very tired right now. I have had a cold the past couple days, so I've just really not had a lot of energy. But the only thing left for tonight that I have planned is doing a bachelorette night with my friends. I'm not hosting tonight, so I'll just be going over to a friend's. But I think I'm going to take the about 50 minutes I have until that starts just to get a quick power nap in because I'm definitely very, very tired and would benefit from it. So I'm going to get some rest and head off to there soon. Well, I ended up having a pretty crazy day yesterday, just being very busy, starting off the morning just going to class, and then I had an officer meeting, and then we had our neuromuscular conditions class where we went over vestibular disorders and kind of going into how we examine as well as do some intervention that you saw Maisie going through the Dix Hall Park maneuver with me. So that was very fun overall, very informative class. But now we are coming back after class this morning from musculoskeletal conditions, where we went over a lot of practice with exercise for the shoulder region. And now I am back home, coming back home to a positive of the sink is finally fixed. So I'm very happy about that. Don't have to worry about dealing with any of the complications anymore. But I am going to hop on to a Zoom meeting for my research project that I'm on, just to kind of get some updates and get us ready as things start to roll a little bit faster within there. So I'm going to hop on Zoom, and then I'm going to head off to our ICE 2 preparatory session right after that. Following my ICE 2 session earlier today, I just had a few things to finish up tonight, like submitting my team's form for our profile, as well as my individual profile, and then making sure to draft an email to our clinical instructor as well as the site as a whole to make sure that we're getting things moving and we know that the site is prepared for us. But that's all that I have for this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe down below, and make sure to check out the video next week as I continue through this very busy semester. But thank you so much for watching. This has been KB DPT, and I'll see you all in the next video.